Firstly, hold the paper in a kite position. Then, join the upper corner to the lower corner and press the paper. Now, fold the left and right both the corners down as shown in the video. Now you have to fold the lower corners, both the lower corners, and make a triangle. You have to fold both the lower corners in upward direction as shown in the video to make a small triangle. After that, draw the eyes with the help of pencil. Next is, take another paper and hold in front of you. Fold the paper in half by joining two corners such that it makes a rectangle like shown in the video. Now fold the rectangle that we made into a square. Fold the rectangle into half and make it square. Now see which side has four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold one corner downwards and fold other remaining three corners backward, which means in the opposite direction. Okay? Now insert the finger in the pocket. You can see the pocket right there. Insert the finger and join the two corners as shown in the video. Again insert the finger as shown and pull the two corners apart slowly. This is your boat.